Hello everyone. Today we've got a video camera which is used for football matches to record matches and training sessions to analyze them after. I'm getting a lot of them lately. This one came in with a not charging, not turning on problem. I plugged the USB-C meter in it. There's nothing. It's taking no current. It's 5 volts. So let's open it up and have a look. Most of the cameras I get for repairs are coming in with the damage from falling from a fairly high tripod, because they're sitting quite high when they're recording the football games, and they get blown over by the wind usually, from what the customers are telling me. And come on, focus. And yeah, you get badly damaged. Even the cases sometimes, everything inside. I just had one same version too, like this, that I couldn't fix. The PCB where the charging port is, I'm gonna show you on this one, was proper snapped, and there's multi-layered, so I couldn't fix that. Well, in theory it was possible, but it was not worth it. Start digging layers and soldering and all that. So let's get inside this. And see what the problem is. Unplug the battery and get rid of this. Okay, one bit out of the way. Okay, and screws want to hang in there. There's a lot of ribbon connectors in this. I need to come up. And the cameras. Okay. All right, the board is out. Let's have a look. Okay, I see a problem already. Let's see what we've got here. At least I know from experience, there's a coil here. And from the look of it, you're not seeing anything. Let me switch to the microscope. Okay, And let's do that again. This here is supposed to be a coil, and it's missing. Now let's get this NVIDIA module out. So we can work makes it easier to access that area. Okay, now if we look here, yeah, that's a coil that's missing. Probably this suffered a drop as well, and yeah, everything seems okay. The one I was telling you that couldn't be fixed, the board was snapped there. Yeah, and I checked this few layers there, so I couldn't fix anything. Let's have a quick visual, see if anything else is missing. So good on this side. Alright, so that's missing. Okay, let's try to find. I know I've heard something rattling inside, but usually it's the plastic clips, the plastic fittings on the case, they're breaking. So I'm gonna have to glue that, but I'm trying to find. Oh, there it is. There is the coil. All right, and unfortunately that breaks, and you can't resolder it because the soldered pads get left on the board, unfortunately. So let's clean up these pads and then look for a coil to replace it with. Okay, Alexa, turn on the extractor fan.
Okay.
Gonna prep these pads. Okay, let me find the coil and we'll take it from there. I'm gonna pause the video here. Okay, got a replacement solenoid. Let's put it on and see if we can get this to charge. Alexa, turn the extractor on.
Okay.
more flux. There we go, better than new. Let's clean it up, then I'm gonna just plug the battery into the board and test it and see if we have if that made any difference. Let's have a look at the port as well. Make sure it's all good. Yeah, the port seems okay. Just gonna clean it up a bit. Clean this a bit better. Alexa, turn the extractor off.
Okay.
Let's check this now. Go from there. Give it here, yeah. Oh, good, we've got continuity. This is a battery. Let me switch the camera over. What's in there? Okay, let me just quickly, hopefully I can plug it here, but my meter is on the other end of this cable, so you're not going to be able to see it. Okay, let's try a different one. Okay, we've got a short circuit somewhere because it's killing the meter. Let's try the other way around. Nothing. Nothing this way. Okay, that means we've got some other issues. Maybe a quick look with the infrared camera would help. The camera turn on. Whenever you think is easy. got something here getting hot. That's on the main. Okay, there's a chip getting hot here, but it's not overly hot. Let's see on this side if we can see anything. Oh, I don't like that. Let's switch to the microscope. The chip getting hot in one corner is this, which is the AMMC. Don't know if you can see. Let me switch the cameras. Can you see? Just one tiny corner of that getting hot. That makes me worried. And that's the chip that holds the software for this camera, and has no very good outlook. If that's gone. Because the problem is not changing it, the problem is having the software on it. Okay, let me try to plug everything else in it and see, but that shouldn't make any difference to the, I'm gonna plug the battery and try the USB-C port, see if it makes any difference. No, it's still short. Let's check for short on this line. Okay, this is shorted. Let's see where it goes. Okay, so that's fine. Like that. So let's try to inject some voltage in this. I'm gonna go with 1 volt. And let's see what the, gonna switch to the overhead camera. And let's see what we're gonna get when we check what's getting hot. So I'm gonna go after this. It's only taking 200 milliamps, so let's increase the voltage a bit. 1.2 and it's taking, okay. Is there something on this other side of the... I'm gonna switch back to the microscope. It looks like it's something on the other side. Okay, let's try these two capacitors. They are in the right spot where stuff is getting hot. Okay, it looks like it's this capacitor. Let's remove it and see. I don't know if you could see on, because it was under the microscope, but this is the one that was getting hot. Okay, try to save it. Okay, we recovered it. Let's see if we still have the ball cooled down a bit. Okay, seem to have no short on the board anymore. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it. That's our shorted capacitor. Okay. We're gonna replace it. Okay, let's feed the capacitor. Let's solder it on. Let's prepare the board a bit. Alexa, turn the extractor on.
Okay.
Come on. Okay. Let's clean it up. Let's see if we still got a probe now. No, all good. Okay, let's plug the battery in and let's try this again. Okay, turning on straight away. Let's see if we get a charge. Let's turn it off if we can. All right, switching cameras. Okay. Okay, let's see if we get a charge. Okay, we've got 5 volts, 0.9 amps. Let's see the voltage on the battery. Got 12 volts, 28. Let's unplug it and see what we've got now. 12.25. So let's try this. Yeah, it seems to be charging. Let's put it together and see if we can get it connected to the app and working. I'm gonna pause the video here, then I'll start recording again once it's all put together. Okay, I'm also gonna glue all these broken plastic bits from the. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, if you see these two are broken, that and that one, so I'm gonna glue them back on. Then I'll put it all back together. Okay, as you can see now it's all back together. I connected to the app. The camera is upside down, but as you can see, I'm gonna start recording. Just to have a bit of a test to see if it's recording okay. All right, I think I'm gonna end it here. Everything seems to be working okay. I'm gonna put it all together, invoice the customer and post it to him. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.